Roscoe. Come on, boy. Come here. Come here. Oh, boy. Get in there. Get in there. Come back for you in a minute. What's up, motherfuckers? Welcome back to the IB Tat channel, the most family-friendly hiking channel on the goddamn internet today, man. Oh, it's been a hot shit minute, I know. So what the hell have I been up to for the last 5 months? Basically what you see here, sitting in my photo blind for hours on end. I am working part-time at Home Depot, which fucking blows. Any job sucks, but right now it's paying the bills and it's going to get my ass to Scotland, so I will continue to do so. But in the meantime, I've just been taking photos of birds for hours on end. I know to most of you it probably sounds boring as shit, but I enjoy it. It's kept me fucking somewhat sane in this downtime when I'm not hiking. So that's what I'm doing. And we're in the blind early today. It's only about 2 p.m. Spring has sprung here in North Georgia. It's damn near 70 degrees today. It's hot as shit in this blind. Roscoe's probably hating it, aren't you, Roscoe? He don't care. He likes being out here with me. But we're here. We're gonna spend this afternoon in the photo blind and hopefully get some photos of some birds, man. But I'm still waiting on that good light. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go over my setup, what I use to shoot my bird photos and my wildlife and all that shit. This is my lens. This is the 200 to 600. I mentioned in my camera video. This is the one I got right after the CDT. All the bird and wildlife shots I've shot with this lens. I absolutely love it. I've got a lens coat on it, which really doesn't do anything except for protect my lens, and it looks cool as shit. As far as, you know, for hiding from animals and shit, they see you no matter what. It just looks cool and it protects your lens. That's the main thing. The camera itself is the Sony a7 IV. I mentioned in my last video I had this thing on pre-order. They finally released it. I've had it for a good couple months now, playing around with it. I absolutely love it. It's basically the same, you know, form factor really as my a7 III, except the internals are better. It's got a 33 megapixel photo count, so I can crop in without losing detail a lot better than my last one. It's got a few more customizable buttons on here. You won't be able to see because of the dark, but this little dial right here, all I have to do is flip that and I'm in photo mode. I've got 3 dials up here, so I can go for photo. I can flip one dial, I'm ready for bird photos. Flip another dial, I'm ready for landscapes. Flip another, I'm ready for macro. Same thing with video. I just flip it over to the video side of things. And now I have 3 customizable buttons up here. One for regular 4K 24, 4K 60, 4K 120. So just, you don't have to go into the menu system. It's real convenient. As far as my tripod goes, this is a carbon fiber tripod by a company called Leo Photo. I absolutely love it. It's a full-size tripod, but it's fairly lightweight because it is carbon fiber. The head I'm rocking for wildlife, is a gimbal head by a company called Wimberley. It's very expensive, but I'm glad I bought it. Mainly because once you get this thing balanced, you just turn a couple dials and this thing's loosened up. Turn this on your lens and now you can shoot vertical, just like that. And as well as if I move this camera anywhere, any direction, when you have it balanced correctly, it just stays put wherever you left it. And following birds and deer and shit like that, it's just very smooth and fluent. Absolutely love it. And then the blind I'm sitting in is actually a hunting blind by a company called Doghouse. It's Doghouse blind. Basically, you have three big windows like this, one here, and then one behind me. And then as well as you have three smaller windows down below that. Now, the seat I have in here is a little too high for these. So I should have the main windows, but it does have those if you need it. And then your main door on another side. Plenty of room in here for me and Roscoe for sure. They claim you can put 2 people in here. It's made for hunting. I can't see 2 people hunting in here, but for me and Roscoe for taking photos, there's plenty of room. And it's just relaxing while the savagery happens at the bird feeder. All right, I'm gonna shut the fucking up now and wait for this good light to show up, man. It won't be too much longer. It is now 4:40 and the action is happening. Those squirrels are going ape shit, man. There's 3 of them feeding on that corn right now. I got a woodpecker over behind me. The cardinals have shown up. It's shaping up to be a good fucking night, man. I don't know if only the deer would show up. I absolutely love this shit, man. See the Roscoe boy. You got it on your nose, bub. Oh, you eating dirt, man? Oh, I know. Life's rough, bud. Birdie dive bombed right under my post, man. Holy shit, that sounded wrong. Oh, I'm dying, Roscoe. Quit wagging that tail, man. You can scare the birds away. Where you at, man? Show yourself. There you are. Yeah, that's a good pose right there, boy. It's about 10 after 5, and although it's like perfect golden hour light, unfortunately where my setup is in the feeders and the posts, they're all in the shade now. So rather than pushing my ISO way too high to where my photos are gonna be grainy as shit, I think what I'm gonna do is go grab my macro lens and spend this last good half hour or so of light trying to find some butterflies or insects or something, spider webs. We'll find something cool to photograph. So let me go grab my macro lens, tuck Roscoe in because he's already snoring, and I'll try to get a few more photos for the evening, man. All right, boys and girls, I'm losing light here. I'm gonna spend the next 20 minutes or so trying to get some flower shots, creepy crawly shots, whatever I can find, man. Oh, isn't that convenient? I have flowers right here. In case you guys have been wondering what I've been up to the last 5 months, out in the woods with my camera, trying to keep sane until I headed to Scotland. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I've been not putting out videos like normally, but the creative juices just do not flow when I'm not hiking miles on trail. It's just the way it goes. So be patient. We'll be in Scotland before you know it, and I'll be pushing out those videos every day for you. All right, hope you enjoyed it. This is your boy Habitat. We'll holler at you fuckers next time.